Yeah.
It's just one of them days that I wanna be all alone. It's just one of them days. So, big changes are happening 2 days from now. And this whole week and last week has been like, not even, this whole month has been very eye-opening for me. Well, I would say the past 2 weeks has been very eye-opening for me for a lot of things. One, I need to start taking better care of myself as far as like time, personal time. 2, I'm gonna start treating myself, right? The third thing I noticed, I need to get some rest, because being on the go, stay-at-home mom all the time, I'm like always moving, always doing something, but I need to start getting some rest. I need to start going to sleep early. So now let's get into this vlog. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but things have been happening. As you've seen in the previous little clip right there, my nails were horrendous. So it is time for me to do a little maintenance. I usually go to the nail shop, but for the past month I have not been, and of course there's reasons behind it, but that's my business. But yeah, so I ended up ordering all of these goodies off of Amazon, and it is time for me to get my nails done. No, I ended up cutting off all of my nails. Those were actually my natural nails. I just got like an overlay. But I was like, you know what? Let's start fresh, So I have all of these things. I'm going to link all the products that I use in my description box. But y'all, I am ashy. I'm telling you, this is maintenance, okay? Don't get on me. But so this is kind of like a nail, hair, and skin maintenance vlog. Okay, I'm just cleaning up around my cuticles. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so that means I know how to do basically everything from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. But my strong suit is not necessarily nails, but I know what I'm doing basically. So, and I'm right-handed, so I'm doing, I'm using my non-dominant hand, and it is a struggle. But anyway, how have you guys been? I've been really good. As I've stated before, different things are going to be happening for the channel. We're gonna just pivot just a little bit, not too much, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be relatable, and we're gonna stick to the core of being very straight to the point and simple. Posting days for this channel are gonna change. I know I used to post twice a week at least, and it dwindled down to once a week. But honestly, I'm not going to tell you, oh, this is going to be a specific set schedule that we're going to have, because I have a lot of things going on at the moment, and I'm going to just get in where I fit in. So hopefully I can post at least once a week for you guys, for my subscribers. And you know what, I also want to take the time out to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Hey to my new subscribers, and what's up girl to my old subbies. Even though I haven't had my channel a long time, I really do look at you guys as being a big support of it, and we friends, girl, we friends. But So the set that I'm gonna do a classic French tip. Now, this, when I say classic, I mean late 90s, early 2000s, mafia boss wife French. That is the look that I am going for. So this is not going to be everybody's cup of tea. I actually did not use the normal acrylic application. I did dip powder because it is odorless, and after I used the dip powder, I just used a regular what do you call it, a regular gel, top coat gel on top. So yeah, that's the look that I was going for. And after I finished, I'm going to show you the end result of my nails, but after I finished my nails, it was time for me to do my weekly shampoo. Now here, I think I already put the conditioner on here and I'm rinsing it out. I did a deep conditioner because it was about that time, and I'm just rinsing it out, and we are going to blow dry. Now, in my previous video, I said I was going to do more roller sets, which I am, but the rollers that I wanted did not come in time, and I could not wait any longer to shampoo my hair. Oh, here is the results for my nails. Like I said, classic white French tip. It was easier to buy the actual tips. Here I'm using the Express 21 spray leave-in from Salerm Cosmetics. Everything that I use will be linked in the description box below, so if you have any questions about it, or if you want to know prices or anything like that, you can click the links in the description box. But guys, my children are having the time of their lives, so if you hear them in the background, this is the only time where I'm able to do this, where they're not asking me for anything. So yes, it's almost time for another relaxer. And like I said, with this channel, things are going to be different. Things are going to go in a different direction. And I think a lot of people are going to be excited to see what's going to happen. So okay, I will let the music play for you guys, get some relaxation going, and I hope you enjoy. So one thing I noticed while I am blow drying my hair, now I noticed the thickness of my hair is getting thicker. I noticed that of course I'm retaining length, but in the areas where it was really short and sparse, I'm noticing that it is filling out, you know. One of my goals for this month is to, well, actually, I don't even want to tell you guys because I want it to be a surprise. Okay. I'm not going to say anything because I really want it to be a surprise. But like I said, you will see some great things happening, and I actually want to pivot in the direction that I'm going to go in because, like I said, this is like a relatable channel. So, and I want you to see that just because I'm a professional does not negate me being a client also, right? So maybe that's a hint, but anyway. So yes, some things I noticed differently about my hair. Now, if you notice, I am blow drying my hair in all different directions, and that is to lift my roots to give me some more volume and more body. If you're not relaxed like me, or if you're not chemically treated with a relaxer, when you blow dry your hair, normally you would blow dry it to be straight down, especially if, you know, it's in its natural state. But for me, because my hair is relaxed already and I'm trying to get it to have some volume, some body, I blow dry it in so many different ways. So this is what you see here. Actually, I love blow drying my hair forward with whether it be a vent brush, a round brush, or any type of blow dry brush, or a wide tooth comb after I have used the brush. And that is because I actually like a lot of body. So see, when I comb my hair down, it looks like my roots are poofy, but that is the whole point because it gives my hair a little bit more thickness, volume, you know. So here I styled my hair, I flat ironed it, and because I was just going to the grocery store, so it's not that big of a deal. So I just pinned it back at the top, kind of sort of like a half up, half down thing, but with one hairpin. And I know some of y'all are going to talk about my sides and stuff, my edges, but I really don't care about my edges. That's exactly why I was just like, whatever. It's not that big of a deal. I will let them stick out as long as I can because I'm not going to stress over that, and I'm not going to put stuff on it either. But so I ended up going to Dollar Tree, and this is what I got. I ended up getting some more skincare. Before I was using the Yes Soul brightening serum, but I ran out, and so at Dollar Tree I saw that for one I needed toner, so I got the toner. Then I also got this product called Glow. It's like a brightening and toning, skin toning. I got vitamins, not necessarily hair, skin, and nail vitamins, but everything that's good for your gut. I got vitamin D3, some ginseng for energy, and I just got some good things. But I thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.